Hey there, and welcome to Ucraft. Today, I will take you through the edit mode of your site. Everything you see on your screen now is easily customizable. The text can be edited, images, styles, colors, and the layout changed. Ucraft is based on a drag-and-drop functionality, which means you can add new elements and designer blocks by simply dragging and dropping them to your page from the left panel. Elements are adjustable widgets, with settings that give your site different design and functionalities. Make use of the search tool right here to find the right one. Blocks are made of elements. You can create yours or choose from the pre-designed layouts to save time. What's next? Choose your site color palette here, and use different effects to make your website look more impressive. I leave it for you to be creative and experiment. All the changes made on your site will be automatically saved. You can use the preview button to check the way your website looks to your visitors. Your website is already live under your sitename.ucraft.net subdomain, and the edit mode looks like this. Now, let's move to the dashboard. Here's the list of all the nifty apps you can use to develop, edit, and market your website. Manage the pages of your site, optimize them for search engines, connect or purchase a custom domain, and translate your site into different languages. Here, you will find a growing number of tools and platforms and seamlessly integrate them with your site. For further information on each, please refer to our knowledge base. Before we finalize this tutorial, I'd like to highlight the built-in e-commerce app, which is available on all our advanced plans. Add products, set payment and shipping methods, and start selling right away. An in-depth video series about our all-in-one e-commerce solution will be available on our YouTube channel. I think we have pretty much covered the basics of your site's edit mode. Have questions? Just hit the live chat box in the lower right corner and our team will help you out. Now, go ahead and let's create something beautiful together.